Folks pressure washing here, just outside. It's a beautiful day outside, Southeast Michigan, city of Warren, Michigan. So, yesterday I was doing a roof job. I'm out here in the garage. Let me turn this light on. So, I'm doing a roof job, and as I do the roof, get that done, I was also supposed to do the pergola and the patio area. So once I got to the patio, get my hose connected, get everything set up, go and start up the pressure washer. It cranks up, shut off. Go ahead and give it a pull. Wasn't pulling. I had this experience in the past when I changed the oil before. I didn't have enough oil in it and it wouldn't crank up. So this time, I kind of knew what it was. It was either the pump oil or the pressure washing oil. Couldn't be the pump oil because if it had been, it may have started up. So that told me that it must have been the engine oil. So I go and change the engine oil. Can't really see it. Let me take it out the garage. So I changed the engine oil, and look at that. You see how dirty that oil is? Always, and I say always, check your engine oil. I didn't, and it cost me because I had to leave, come home, change my engine oil, and then I had to go back and finish the job today. So I just say check your engine oil always. And what I did, what my cousin taught me from Pressure Man down there in Florida, Miami, he taught me to when I change the oil, run some fresh oil through it and let it go out as I'm changing it. So once you change the dirty oil, keep it open. Run the fresh oil through to get the rest of the dirty oil out, because it's not going to always drip everything out. So that's what you do, changing the oil.